Let's take the guesswork out of making stickers and labels as printables that we can sell by going over to this website called Avari. I think that's how you say the website name, but anyways, that's what I'm going to be calling it, Avari. And as you can see, they have a lot of templates and blank labels and stuff like that. Looking here at the top, they even have an option for custom printing. Now, one of the reasons why I chose to go with Avari as a website to get my templates is because a lot of times the big box stores carry these type of actual labels. And by having that as an option for our customer, we're able to reference, hey, these labels or these stickers work with this product number and type on Avari, which is, like I said, a common label being sold by the big box stores such as Walmart, Target, and even, I believe, Staples. And you can also just go on Amazon and find the equivalent or actual label by Avari that is made. They're a big name in the label and sticker industry. So let's head over to the templates here, and we can do find a template. We can do a design. You can actually do the design work in there, and they have some software partners and template support. So I'm just gonna go over and find the template. And what I want to do is I want to show you some of the options for the templates in just making stickers, and how we're going to turn what we download, which is a PDF, and how we're going to turn it into a JPEG. And then from there, we're going to be able to upload it to Canva to give us, like I said, a template to work with for our printables. So let's go ahead and just start with the square labels. And as you can see, we have a lot of options. We have print to the edge square label. We have print to the 2x2, 2 inches by 2 inches. Lots of different options here. Ultra duty, and what we're doing is we're looking at the templates. As you can see, there's a number like template 22846 on this one here, which is the print to edge square label, and we have some other labels as well. Again, we're just going to use these as templates and for our designs for downloading as printables. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this template 22565, the 2 inch by 2 inch. And as you can see, I have quite a few options. I can download this as a Word document, a Photoshop document, an Adobe Illustrator document, an InDesign, a PDF, or Apple Pages. Most of the time, I like to play in the space with the Adobe Illustrator because that's the program that I am most familiar with. But for this training and this instruction, I'm going to go ahead and go through the process of downloading this as a PDF. And as you can see, they're doing their upselling of all the different services and templates and labels and books and all sorts of goodies. Now, let's go ahead and head over to another website. And that website is smallpdf.com/PDF to JPEG. So let's go ahead and choose our PDF, the Avari 22565. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is choose my file, the PDF that we had just downloaded. And as you can see here, we have the Avari 22565 PDF, and I'm going to go ahead and upload that to this website. Again, this is a free service. They do have a paid service with this if you wanted to go through that. I just use the free service every so often. It's worked quite well for me. I'm going to go ahead and choose option. And that PDF is going to go through and process and turn it into a JPEG for us. And then we're just going to go over here to the right-hand side and hit download. And this will put it in a zip file for us. Okay, now that we have our JPEG template from the PDF of the Avari 22565 label, what we can do is we can go ahead and upload this to Canva. And like I said, we have the squares, everything's all figured out. this is compatible with the labels that purchased, at a big box store and printed out by the customer. All they need to do is just buy our downloadable, our printable designs. So let's go ahead and go through that process of uploading this to Canva. Okay, I'm in Canva right now, and as you can see, I have some options here. This is a pro account, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and upload that JPEG labels that we downloaded. Let's go over to our downloads, and there we have our JPEG, which I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and we'll go ahead and upload that file to Canva. And now that the file is totally uploaded to Canva, we can go ahead and just go over to our button here where it says create a design. So I'm going to go ahead and create my design. Now I'm going to be working in US letter document, 8.5 by 11. That's what the Avery template is made for. That's the, it's for the US printers. If you're overseas, you may want to, find what would work for you. But for this presentation, I'm just going to go ahead and use the 8.5 by 11, which is a US letter document. As you can see, I have my blank, design getting ready to, create my printables for the stickers that, or, labels that I'm going to want. So what we're going to go ahead and do is go to our uploads, and I'm going to pick that JPEG file, and we can scale this up. And what we can do is we can take our elements, we can go to a square, and just see how close we are. Okay, and we should be at a 2 inch by 2 inch. You see the width is 2 inches, and the height is 2 inches. See, perfect. End one is going to be a little more difficult because of it wanting to snap to all the little lines that are around it. So, but that's okay. We could just delete it, just like that. Same thing with this one. But I just wanted to show you that you do have options there if you wanted to put colors behind it. It's totally not necessary. And like I said, in my own work, I don't do that. So let's say for our demonstration purposes, we wanted to do our stickers. We can create these stickers right here. Make a nice little presentation, and I'll go ahead and zoom in, and we can give this a nice text, something with flow, and let's go ahead and zoom this down a little bit. Let's go ahead and find a calligraphy font. There, that looks pretty good. And there you have it. Very simple, easy. When we're getting ready to sell this as a printable, what we would do is we would take our background template, that JPEG, we would unlock it. Like I said, I had this one locked, and then we can just hit delete, and it's gone. And then what we have here is everything is laid out to work on that template where we had downloaded and download the PDF to turn into a JPEG at avery.com. So I hope this is helpful, and I will catch you in the next one.